enchiladas. And we have a special guest here, Gumma. I call it Gumma. My brother too.
Hi.
So let's get started.
Okay, ButterBeanz. Today we're going to make this Americanized version of chicken enchiladas. We're going to not roll them, but we're going to make them almost like a lasagna. So first you get
a glass dish, and then you're gonna want, if you want to, you can spray some cooking spray so the cheese doesn't stick to all the sides. But we're not gonna do that. But only if you want to. So you're gonna wanna make sure you get you're gonna get the corn tortilla and not the flour tortilla, because that flour tortilla falls apart because flour falls apart. Corn doesn't really fall apart. We're gonna put it at the bottom. So the first step after you do that, the next, you're gonna wanna get your non-fake meat or your real meat. Put it in. Just a little. Now we're going to want to put our fillings. So we don't have black beans, so we usually use black beans, but we couldn't find it in our pantry. So we're going to use black olives. And then we got these little jalapenos, and then onion, stinky onion. And you always want to take a sample, see what it tastes like. Fill it in. Okay, now that we have all our meat right here,
fillings.
Our fillings. Now we're gonna pour some green salsa, and you can use red salsa, but today we're just using green salsa. This is Green Day. I just need to get it over. I'm gonna pour a little bit, and not the whole container, because usually like the last video that we did, that we made the barbecue sauce, we just poured a whole bottle, just enough. Now we're gonna add our cheese, and we think this cheese is good.
It's creamy and melts really well, kind of like a Mexican cheese.
And it smells good. It really smells good. It's all like creamy. It'll be good for cream cheese.
You can use any kind of cheese you like. Jack, cheddar if you like. This happens to be a vegan feta.
And it's very good. And maybe if you're a vegan, you should try this one, because I bet it'll be really good. Now that you're all done, we're going to want to do the same thing and put another layer of tortilla on until it's all the way to the top with the fillings and cheese too. And make sure that the last layer is cheese like that. Okay, now that we got this all done, we're going to stick it in the oven for 350 degrees, always 350 degrees, until it's all nice and melty and bubbly. Okay guys, now that it's all cooked, I'm just adding some extra little toppings and make sure that cools through the